Hey, it's a software engineering student here, and today we're going to be doing some simple beginner exercises regarding objects and classes. So last time we just created some simple student objects, but now I'm going to be creating for the first time a new project. Let's just keep it all. Let's create a project from template, and let's call it customer. Yeah, and just do this window. So first of all, over here we got the project structure. So Content Company is a package, which is kind of like a folder, and we got a main class as usual. But now, first time, we're gonna click on our Content Company, and we're gonna right-click, New, Java class, and we create a customer. So in the class, we had attributes, we had a constructor and method. So first, let's create some attributes, which is like the values of the customer. So we would create a name, string name. We would create a, let's do a double balance, and we would be creating a constructor. So for now, the customer just got a name and they got a balance. Pretty simple. We would create a constructor, which would go public customer, and the input we would create where we'd be able to give the customer a name. So we would do string name, and we would be able to create a double balance. And we would set a given name to the name variable in our class. Do this dot name equals name, because we gave this the variable name and this name as well. So to tell the program that name of outside of the constructor, the attribute name, we go with this dot name is equal to the name we give it. And again, with our balance, we do this dot balance equals balance. And then we would do some simple methods. We would do a public void method that would be a get balance, and it would just simply print the balance. Then we would have a method that's gonna be public void change balance, which would take in a double. We would do a balance change, and we would take balance and make balance equal to the balance plus a balance change. Which means if the balance change is positive, we would just add it. If it's negative, we could plus, plus, minus, and it would subtract the balance number. Yes, that's like a basic class. That's what we're going to be creating. A basic customer, a name, a balance, and a constructor to define the basic premises of our class we're going to be using when we create the object in a few seconds. And a get balance. Let's change get balance to actually include the name. So we do name got, let's see what's the best way to put it. So if the name was Daniel, Daniel have X in balance. I don't know if that makes a lot of sense, but always remember to add these together. There we go. So let's go to our main and create a customer. Go customer equals new customer. And let's do a name first. Let's do Daniel. And that's a string, so we need to remember our quotation marks. And Daniel got a balance of, let's see, just 100 something. It doesn't really matter in this case. It's actually getting a bit too small. Let's fast change the font. There we go. So the customer got the name Daniel and the balance 100. So let's first do customer.getBalance. Let's see if it works. Did Daniel have 100 something in balance? We could do customer.changeBalance and let's subtract 50. And we would do customer.getBalance again. So now when we run it, we get Daniel have 100 in balance. 50 is being subtracted from the balance total. And now Daniel have 50 in balance. So this is a very simple way of, it's a very simple class with some basic attributes, simple constructor, and a few methods. So, I hope you enjoyed and see you in the next video.